Introducing the Xbeauty Electric Fireplace, a versatile and stylish addition to your home that redefines how you experience warmth and ambience. With its multiple installation options, realistic flame effects, modern design, and flexible control modes, this electric fireplace offers a perfect blend of form and function. Join us as we delve deeper into the features and benefits that make this electric fireplace a standout choice for those seeking heating efficiency and aesthetic charm in their living spaces. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Versatile installation options. This electric fireplace impresses with its installation flexibility. It offers multiple installation methods, making it suitable for various room setups. You can choose to recess it into the wall, semi-recess it, or simply mount it on the wall. This versatility ensures that it can seamlessly fit into different room designs and configurations. It's designed to be a perfect match for 2 feet by 6 feet stud walls, making it easy to integrate into your home. Number 2. Size and design. The compact dimensions provide a substantial presence in any room. What sets this electric fireplace apart is its top independent physical switch design, which has earned it ETL security certification. This thoughtful feature enhances safety and usability. Moreover, the back frame design enlarges the linear glass display, offering an optimal viewing experience. This design element makes the flames look more captivating and reduces the risk of glass panel damage during transportation. Number 3. Realistic flame effects. One of the standout features of this electric fireplace is its ability to create a remarkably realistic flame display. It boasts a full spectrum of LED colors to mimic the appearance of an authentic ember bed. With 12 flame colors, including 3 classic flame colors, red, orange, and blue, you have a wide range of customization options. You can also adjust the flame speed and brightness to suit your preference. Additionally, there are 12 ember bed color lighting choices. The ultra-high intensity LED lights provide a mesmerizing flame effect, with flames appearing to burn realistically and gradually rising to the top, creating a visually captivating experience. Number 4. Modern home decor. This electric fireplace offers a sleek and contemporary design that can elevate the aesthetics of your home. It's designed with a front air outlet, making it an ideal addition to your living room, where it can be installed under a TV, leaving an 8-inch gap, or integrated into an entertainment center. It's equally suitable for bedroom installation, functioning as both a reliable fireplace heater with overheat protection and a decorative fireplace with a no-heat option for year-round ambience. The Whisper Quiet Blower heating, less than or equals to 40 decibels, ensures a peaceful atmosphere while operating. It offers 2 heating modes, 750 watts and 1500 watts, with a heating coverage of up to 400 square feet, making it effective in warming a sizable area. Number 5. Flexible control modes. Controlling this electric fireplace is a breeze due to its multiple control options. You can use the included remote or the touch screen for convenient operation. The control options include a power switch, a timer that allows you to set it for 1 to 8 hours, independent switches for heating and flame functions, adjustable flame color and speed, and a sleep mode function. This flexibility empowers you to customize your fireplace experience to suit your mood and needs. Dimensions. Product dimensions are 68 inches depth by 3.86 inches width by 18 inches height. Specifications. Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Pros and cons. 5 reasons to buy. Versatile installation options for various room configurations. Realistic flame effects with multiple color and brightness settings. Sleek and modern design enhances home decor. Whisper Quiet Blower heating for peaceful operation. Overheat protection for safety. One reason, not to buy. Some users may prefer a wider range of flame color options. Conclusion: the Xbeauty Electric Fireplace offers a wide range of features and benefits, making it a versatile and attractive addition to any home. Its realistic flame effects, modern design, and flexible control options set it apart in the electric fireplace market. Whether you're looking for a functional heater or a decorative piece, this fireplace delivers on both fronts, providing warmth and ambience while enhancing the aesthetics of your living space. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.